It in number 39, as a worthwhile experience. The process is taught using an iPad, and you can go back and watch it again if you don't. In number 39, T understand. The process is simple and easy to understand. After analyzing your preferences, you can choose your own materials. There are many different materials to choose from. The staff are friendly, and the classroom is clean and quiet, making you feel calm and peaceful. The staff is friendly and lovely, arranged for us a beautiful window location. Following the video experience is very smooth. Try drinking is also very delicious, comfortable and beautiful environment, and can take away the commemorative wine. Really recommend everyone who likes to drink to experience it. The instructions are clear, so even those who don't in number 39, to understand Korean can complete the task smoothly. There are plenty of materials to choose from, allowing you to select materials to your liking, making it perfect for couples to create a unique finished product. It in number 39, as easy to make, you can follow the instructional video provided on site. The staff will cater to your desired flavors and help you confirm the proportions of each ingredient. They are very attentive and gentle, and it in number 39, as also suitable as a gift. The classroom is bright and quiet, and the learning method involves watching videos, which are available in Chinese. You just need to follow the video instructions step by step. A drink is provided after the class. You learn making the wine by watching videos. Earphones are offered so you won't get disturbed by other participants who come in later. Cocktails was offered after you completed the session. Very good. Convenient location, close to Hongdae, clear course introduction, very friendly and beautiful staff. It was a good trip. If you like drinking, you must not miss it. The method is simple, just choose your favorite ingredients, put them into the wine, wait for a while, and you can drink it. It in number 39, as a great experience. The signage was very clear, and there were complimentary snacks and drinks. The environment was very quiet. The atmosphere was great, and it was all done on the iPad. The content was simple and easy to use. This was my first time attending a DIY shochu making class. The instructors provided professional explanations of the blending techniques and were incredibly patient. We started by tasting different premixed shochu, and then freely added fruits, flowers, and even herbs to create our own unique flavor. The on-site ingredients selection was amazing, like mixing a fragrance, full of surprises. Afterwards, you can take home 500 milliliters of your own unique shochu. The entire 1-hour class was both educational and fun, perfect for friends or couples. I highly recommend it to any shochu enthusiast who enjoys hands-on experiences. I went alone and the entire course was taught via iPad videos. It was a very personal course. The 3 sample wines offered at the beginning were all unique and delicious. I only realized that free refills were available after seeing the Koreans there constantly trying them. I highly recommend this place to anyone who enjoys making their own fruit wine. I would definitely go again next time to try making other flavors. P.S. No protective foam is provided in the classroom, so please bring your own beforehand.